Welcome to the God's Creative 360 Internship Program. We are thrilled to have you join our community of aspiring innovators. Get ready for an exciting journey filled with learning, growth, and creativity. Before we dive in, let's talk a bit about the Glory and Olifu brand. Founded by a passionate educator and digital marketer. Our mission is to empower individuals like you to ideate, build, and deploy impactful solutions that transform everyday problems into tangible products. Here, we believe in the power of creativity and collaboration. In this program, you can expect hands-on training in various marketing roles, from social media management to graphic design and beyond. We'll provide you with the tools, resources, and support you need to thrive. Throughout your internship, you have numerous opportunities to showcase your skills, whether it's through projects, presentations, or special assignments. We encourage you to take initiative and make the most of your experience here. This internship program spans 3 months, with structured training sessions, practical tasks, and weekly spotlights to recognize your achievements. Each week will build upon the last, helping you grow from a beginner to an intermediate level in your chosen role. We believe in celebrating your hard work. Our bi-weekly intern spotlights will showcase top performers, rewarding them with data, airtime, and cash prizes for their exceptional contributions. Stay engaged and you might just be in the spotlight. Please note that we are affiliated with several educational brands and collaborating with experienced tutors and mentors. The resources shared with you are exclusive and should not be posted outside of our community. Remember to respect the confidentiality outlined in your contract. Our learning approach is structured and guided. We've curated the best resources to facilitate your growth. You are expected to complete your daily assignments and quizzes on time to ensure you get the most out of the program. Please be aware that while we aim for a supportive environment, there may be challenges along the way. Stay committed and don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance. Stay connected with us. Follow us on our social media platforms to get updates, tips, and insights. Remember, our YouTube channel is our official website where you find valuable content and resources. Thank you for being a part of the God's Creative 360 Internship Program. We're excited to see what you achieve during this journey. Let's make it an incredible experience together.